guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Meg Blush. My name is Muskan, and for all the people who don't know and for all the people who are new here, welcome to my channel. This video is actually dedicated to this look, this outfit. So I am actually going to Kunal and Vanita's Roka, and I am so excited for those guys. If you guys are watching this, I love you. I am so happy for you guys, and I just love you. A big hug to you, and I want everybody else to pause this video, go to the comment section, comment down below and wish Kunal and Vanita a very happy future. For all the people who don't know who Kunal is, he's the backbone of our team, and Ashinani Vines and Miss Meg Blush would have been incomplete without that guy. So a big hug to you, and congratulations Vanita and Kunal. I'm so happy for you guys. Okay, so bringing the excitement down, coming back to the video. So this video is actually dedicated to this look. A lot of you guys keep complaining that I do super basic looks and I don't add enough colors. So this is still basic, this is still simple, but I tried adding a little blue in my lower lash line because I'm going to a real event. So I decided to film a get ready with me. I did my entire makeup, I did my hair. I will put up a picture of my entire outfit here. So I got this outfit from Global Desi, even the earrings are from Global Desi. So I was randomly in a mall one day and I wanted to buy a plain kurti for myself. So I just entered Global Desi and I saw this top and I saw that white skirt, and then I saw these earrings and I knew I had to buy everything and pair them together. And now coming to the look. So I added a little blue in my lower lash line, just like my earrings. I love these earrings, they're so pretty. So they are gold and blue. So that is what I wanted my eye look to be as well. I love the golden sparkle on my eye, and I just added a little teal blue onto my lower lash line, and I am loving how the look turned out. Back to the video. If you guys are interested in this look, then please keep watching. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, congratulate Kunal and Vanita, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. For now, let's just go to the video.
Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use the Mario Badescu facial spray. It has green tea, aloe vera, cucumber, everything nice. And then I'm just going to moisturize my lips with my Dior Lip Addict lip balm. I love this. And then I had already moisturized my entire face, but I just applied some eye cream right under my eyes, and it's the Origins Ginseng eye cream. I really like this. And then moving on to priming my skin, I used the Hangover RX primer by Too Faced, and I applied a very little amount of it because I had already moisturized my skin. I also went in with the Smashbox Photo Finish primer just on my T-zone, and then I moved on to my foundation, and I used the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation in the shade 203, and I really like this foundation. I applied very little of it because I just wanted the glow of it and not any coverage. And then I moved on to my concealer. My current concealer that I love is by Sephora. It's their natural coverage concealer, and I really like the finish of it. And it just looks natural, and it is not very drying or anything. And yeah, that is all the coverage that I needed on my face. And then I sprayed some more of that Mario Badescu facial mist, and I just pushed it into my skin with my beauty blender. Then I moved on to Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder, and I just baked under my eye. I just took my beauty blender, applied some powder under my eye, and I let it stay there while I filled my brows in with my Browsings palette. I did not have a mirror, so I was struggling with my brows, and for some reason I don't like how my brows turned out. So I went in, got my mirror, and then corrected it with a Q-tip. So once I was done with that, I just dusted off all the powder on my face and under my eyes, and then I moved on to highlighter because I was applying a cream highlighter. I wanted to apply it first and then give it some time. So I'm using the Farsali Jelly Beam highlighter. I am pretty sure you guys must have heard about this. There was a lot of hype about this. It is actually very slimy and puddy. It's not puddy, but it's slimy for sure. So I applied it wherever I usually apply highlighter, and I let it sit for a while, and I moved on to my eyes. For my eyes, I used the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I had already set my eyes with the concealer, so I just wanted to take a shade very similar to my very light and similar to my skin tone. So that's why I took that white shade, and then I took this brown shade just to warm up my eyelids, and then I took another brown shade to deepen my crease. I did not want my eyelid to be very heavy. I wanted it to be very natural because, as I said, I was going to do a real event. And then I moved on to this very pretty glitter from Australis. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing the name of that brand right, but it's their Metallics eyeshadow in the shade Pearl Jammin', and I really like this. Like, the sparkle that it gives is very silver and gold. Like, it's a gold, it's a yellow based gold, but it has silver and golden shimmer in it, which makes it look so sparkly, so fairy like, and I really love it. So I just blended that in, and then I took some brown shade and just deepened my crease a little bit. So I just deepened the crease and added some more brown because as I was applying the shimmer, I thought that the brown was getting lost. And then I took a shimmering shade from the palette itself and just highlighted my brow bone. And then I moved on to this steel eyeshadow that I wanted to add into the look, and I just added that on my lower lash line. I didn't want to do a lot, but I still added, I just wanted a little hint of blue. I did not want a blue stark line. I just wanted a hint of it, and that was it. I moved on to my eyelashes. I curled them, and then I used my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I have no lashes. My lashes are very tiny, and the brush of this mascara is huge. So I got mascara all over my eyelid, but I'm going to let it dry and clean it up in a bit. So you are going to see that, but for now there's a lot of mascara on my eyelid. But until the time it dries, I moved on to my bronzer, and I used the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I'm starting to actually like this product, and here you can see that I'm just cleaning all the mascara. And then I moved on to my blush. I took this NARS blush. It's called Orgasm, and it's a liquid blush, and you don't need a lot. You need the tiniest amount of it, and that is what I applied on my cheeks, and I blended that in with a beauty blender and my fingers as well. And then I moved on to my lipstick, and I used the shade Le Pondy by Nykaa. It's a very pinky shade, but that is the vibe that I wanted to go for. I didn't want to put nude on, so I put some pink lipstick, and I added some more highlighter because no amount of highlighter is enough for me. And that's pretty much it for my makeup.
Okay, so for my hair, I don't have a lot of time. I'm super late, so I'm just going to iron my hair and get out of the door as soon as possible. So while this heats up, I'm just going to brush my hair with my brush. Look how cute this is. My sister gifted it to me in her bridesmaid box. It has Muskan written on it, and I love anything customized, and thanks goods. So I'm just gonna brush through my hair real quick, and then I'm gonna iron. It takes me hardly 5 minutes to iron my hair because I don't have a lot of hair. I am not making any sections or anything. I'm just gonna randomly iron my hair, and you will see how easy it is to iron my hair. I am not doing anything extraordinary. When I have time, I definitely make sections and all that and do my hair properly. Right now I don't. I washed my hair yesterday, that is why they don't look super fresh, but it's okay. I have to wash my hair after every 3 days. Okay, so since I washed them yesterday, I didn't want to wash them again today, so I'm just gonna work with what I have. For me, this section of my hair gets really difficult because it's very close, and I have little baby curly wavy hair. So yeah, I think I'm done. Actually, I need to set my makeup, and I'm gonna do that. I am using the PAC micro finish makeup fixer. It's really nice. It is very fine and I love the spray on this. Yeah, it makes me feel fresh. And now for the final touch, I have my earrings here. So I also got these from Global Desi on the same day. Like as soon as I entered Global Desi, I saw this outfit and I saw these earrings and I just had everything I wanted to wear right in front of me. So I got the entire dress and I got the earrings as well. So I'm just gonna wear those and then I am done. Because my hair is so long, not even visible. Wait for a sec. Okay, so this is what my makeup turned out like.